Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download and use YubiKey Manager for Windows, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser on your Windows computer. Navigate to the official YubiKey website by typing in the URL. Look for the download section on the homepage. Once there, find the YubiKey Manager for Windows. Click on the download link for the YubiKey Manager. Wait for the file to download fully. Next, locate the downloaded file in your computer's Downloads folder. Double-click the downloaded file to initiate the installation process. A security prompt may appear. Click Yes to allow the installation to proceed. Follow the on-screen instructions in the installation wizard. When prompted, choose your preferred installation location or accept the default setting. Click Install to begin the installation. Wait for the installation to complete. Once the installation is finished, click Finish to exit the installer. Now, locate the YubiKey Manager in your list of applications. Double-click the YubiKey Manager icon to open the application. Connect your YubiKey device to a USB port on your computer. The YubiKey Manager should automatically detect the connected device. After the application opens, you will see an overview of your YubiKey status. You can now explore the various features available within the YubiKey Manager. To configure your YubiKey, select the desired option from the menu. Follow the prompts to customize settings per your security requirements. To save any changes made, ensure you click the Save button. If you ever need to disconnect your YubiKey, simply remove it from the USB port. For future use, just plug your YubiKey back in and open YubiKey Manager again. You are now ready to use YubiKey Manager to enhance your security. Make sure to keep your software updated by regularly checking the YubiKey website. You have successfully downloaded and configured YubiKey Manager for Windows. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.